Hello everyone, this is the video to help you get started on the Foldable. You're going to need this sheet. Yours might look a little bit different than this, and then this sheet as well. You're also going to need the notes that you have filled in from the PowerPoint, because you're not going to be able to know what to put where without those notes. Alright, you're also going to need scissors, tape, and colored pencils. Okay, so you need the rainbow, basically red, orange, yellow, green, blue, both blues, and a purple. Okay, the color coding is important because I have a lot of students who have a hard time figuring out how to read the chart, and so this is just to help you visualize it better. Okay, so you're going to take your colored pencils, you're going to take this paper and trim it, and you're going to tape it onto page 85 in your notebook. And then you're going to take your colors and you're going to color it like this. Okay, so the domain bacteria is red. Bacteria are red. This whole column is red. Archaea is orange. Archaebacteria is orange. This whole column is orange. Now eukarya is a domain, so you color this yellow, and then all the things that come underneath it are their own color. So protists, light blue. Fungi, dark blue, plants, green, of course, and then animals are purple. Once you have this colored in, you're going to use your notes to fill in the chart. Okay? So you're going to look over here, and you're going to see the number of cells per organism. Okay, which ones are unicellular? And then it'll tell you, and then you'll come over here, and I will tell you one of them is bacteria. So under cell type, or unicellular or multicellular, bacteria are unicellular. Okay? So you're going to fill in the rest of the chart like that. Once you're done filling it in, so here as an example, for animals, they're eukaryotic, multicellular, they're heterotrophs, they have sexual reproduction, and an example are humans and animals. Okay? Then you're going to take this page and cut them out and tape them on the tabs where they go. Okay? So right here, I've taped little flaps over here. This is a eukaryote because it has a nucleus. So anywhere where there's a eukaryote, I'm going to put this picture. This is a picture of tissue, because it's a multicellular, there's many cells. Heterotrophs need to eat food. Okay, so we're going to put the knife and the fork because they eat food. They have sexual reproduction. So this is a picture of egg and sperm. So you're going to put the egg and sperm anywhere there's sexual reproduction. And then you're going to match the examples with, so these are animals. Animals, there you go. Okay, the whole entire chart needs to be written on, and it needs to have all of these taped on in flaps. Okay. It's easiest if you start at the bottom and then tape up. So, for instance, plantae. We all know that's plants, right? So real quickly, if I was going to start with plantae, I'm going to cut out my example. Okay? Then I'm going to take my pen and I'm going to write plants, flowers, fruit. Those are all examples of plants. I'm going to take a little bit of tape. Take this and just tape it right across the top. Okay? That way you can lift it up and see underneath. And then when you go up like this, it makes it easier than trying to go down like that. Okay? Again, this goes on page, if you're in Mr. Lucas' class, this goes on page 85 in your notebook. And it should be next to your characteristics of kingdom notes. Again, use the notes to fill this in. That's the whole point of this, is to use this to fill in this. Okay?